Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In today's report, we will look at the rise of Alfred Futuyo, the man many call a hero. Others call him a troublemaker, and some see him as the strongest political figure in Western Equatoria today. His life from being a simple butcher in Yambio market to becoming one of the country's most controversial leaders show how much power local communities still hold in South Sudan. Second, we'll talk about Borton, where gunfire once again interrupted daily life as security forces clashed with the local youth militia known as the Red Bell. The fighting caused panic in Marol Market and reminded the country how fragile security still is. Before we move on with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin it with the rise and trouble of Alfred Futuyo. Alfred Futuyo did not come from a political background. He was not a trained soldier. He was not from a rich or powerful family. Before entering politics, Futuyo was simply a farmer and a butcher in Yambio market. People who knew him say he was hardworking and very close to his community. His mixed Belende Azande heritage helped him understand different groups, but his strongest support always came from the Belende people, who defended him through many challenges. His rise to leadership began not in an office, but in the village. In Western Equatoria, insecurity grew when foreign army group, Ambororo header, and local criminals began attacking villages. To protect themselves, communities formed a defense force called the Arrow Boy. Futuyo did not create the group, but he quickly became one of its most popular leaders. People trusted him because he was always stay close to them and understood the struggle. This grassroots support became the foundation of his future power. It was not a school, it was not training, it was not government, it was the trust of ordinary people. How did he join the SPLMIO? When war broke out in 2013, the SPLMIO led by Dr. Machar looked for people who could mobilize communities. They needed leaders who were listened to, respected, and connect to the grassroots. Futuyo was exactly that. Dr. Machar appointed him the head of SPLMIO operation in Western Equatoria and later supported his nomination as governor. For SPLMIO, Futuyo was a valuable asset, not because of formal education, but because of community loyalty and the ability to gather fighters. This made him one of the most influential opposition figures in the region. How did he become the governor? In June 2020, under the revitalized peace agreement, Alfred Futuyo officially became governor of Western Equatoria State. His leadership style was bold, active, and direct. He worked with the people in villages, visited farms, and engaged in community work, but his approach also brought conflict within the unity government. His deputy governor, first Kennedy Ganiko, and then Daniel Badagbo openly accused him of ignoring them and making decisions alone. Cabinet meetings were boycotted. Ministers complained about being sidelined. The state project stalled. People began asking, is Futuyo helping the state or dividing it? Knowing that Juba was not going to prioritize development in Western Equatoria, Futuyo told residents to use their own labor to repair roads, build market, and support agriculture. Some people love this idea. They say at least he's doing something. Others said he was acting like he owned the government. But one thing was clear. Futuyo believed in community-funded development, and he pushed it strongly. In June 2023, his image took another hit. The U.S. Treasury Department sanctioned him, accusing forces under his SPLMIO command of committing abuses in 2018, including abduction and sexual violence. Futyo denied the allegation, but for many outside observers, the sanction signaled deeper problem. On February 9, 2025, President Salva Kiir Mayardit dismissed Alfred Futyo from the governorship. Immediately, gunshots were reported near the state secretariat and around his residence in Yambio. Some say the shooting was meant to create a safe exit for him. That night, Futyo left Yambio under heavy guard and disappeared to an unknown location. The state was left in confusion. Some communities celebrate its removal, especially in Tambura County, where it had many critics. But SPLMIO leaders say the president's action violated the peace agreement. But even his deputy governor, who always disagreed with him, later appealed for Futyo to return because of the power vacuum. In August, SPLMIO acting chairman Nathaniel Oyet Perino reversed Kiir's decree and reinstated Futyo as a governor. This was a direct challenge to the president Salva Kiir Mayardit. The message was clear. Futyo is still has power inside the opposition. He remained the SPLMIO sector SIG commander and deputy chief of staff for operations. To his supporter, he is a defender of local interests. To his critic, he is a leader who creates division in a state of unity. But one thing remains true. His career shows how community power can decide political destiny in South Sudan. Please, before we move on to Bor, help the channel by supporting, by liking, sharing, and also by subscribing to a Changfied YouTube channel. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so when we upload a new video, you can be notified. Gunfire in Bor security force vs Red Bell militia. On Sunday afternoon, around 1:30 p.m., gunfire broke out in the heart of Bor town in Jonglei State. The shot came from Marol Market, one of the busiest shopping areas. People were buying food and preparing for the Christmas season. No one expected danger. Within seconds, panic spread everywhere. Shop closed, people ran, others hid inside houses and shopped. What witness saw? One witness said that we heard one loud gunshot. Everyone got scared. I saw 3 people injured. They were rushed to the hospital. No one knew immediately if more people were hurt because the area was too crowded to see everything clearly. So who are the Red Bell? The clash was between security forces and youth group called the Red Bell. The Red Bell is a local militia active in the Bor area. They say they exist to protect villages, cattle, community, local land. They say their name represents a bill that protects the people of Bor community, but the government sees them differently. Authority accused the group of acting like an organized army movement, wearing military uniforms, carrying illegal weapons, attacking security forces, committing robberies and extortion. The South Sudan Army has officially declared the group an illegal army organization. The government has demanded they either join the National Army or be disarmed by forces. This clash showed that the tension between the Red Bell and the security forces is far from over. Authorities say the shooting began when security forces confronted Red Bell members inside one of the hotels in Marol Market. We do not know yet what caused the confrontation, who fired the first shot, how many people were wounded. Investigations are ongoing. A security spokesperson said there is no sign of a larger threat, but we are still gathering information. So why this matter for Bor community? Bor has faced many challenges in the past years. Youth militias, cattle raid, intercommunal violence, criminal activity, tension between civilian and security forces. Each new clash increased fear and reduced public trust. The government wants to show that it can control army youth group, but these groups are also feel they must defend their communities. This is the heart of the problem. When communities feel unsafe, they form their own armies. When the government tries to disarm them, clash happen. This cycle keeps repeating. Both story, Futuyo rise and the Red Bell clash show a deeper reality about South Sudan. Local power is stronger than official power. In many places, the community trusts its own leader more than the national government. This is why local militia rise, politicians rely on community loyalty, conflict become personal, and peace agreements are difficult to enforce. Until this dynamic change, South Sudan will continue facing instability. Thank you for watching this Changfied special report. South Sudan is a young nation with great potential, but also deep challenges that require honesty and unity. From the political fight in Western Equatoria to the army clash in Bor, one lesson is clear. Peace began when communities and leaders choose dialogue over division. Please do not forget to subscribe to Changfied. Like the video, share it with others, leave your opinion in the comment section. Biakamal gwaseme ka Changfied, bana right ketin kon lat korodian. Ken kono ni amijira mjiri gwaseme gore jeno jindere subscribe kudi channel dere support. Gore no jin bi notification bell bi jetwa ko mete mi chala rek be chomala shugo kijin. To kon gele dang roti very important bana ling. Bana killing kel kali ka bana right. Bana lamtin konti la main ponyitin tende de tende ka. Mani ambali gwaseme bana right ke kuyu ko min chalke Alfred Futuyo. Alfred Futuyo jen a quirky governor kakuma spelayo. Alfred Futuyo jena watele je political background kwai keje ki politician. Jen shi de bomo sha ngej. Jen bo shebe dormi reng jika. Wa me kan ne chup ko politic. Wa Alfred Futuyo jena wa farmer ki ramla pi nebel. Ki ramla pur ne kap. Wa jen bo rami mo mela lela ka jeng lein e busher ka yambi market. Neti ngai keje lakin alar no Alfred Futuyo arami bumbum millat kan noke a community lo jente kelka community jena wa a belenda kana zande ba lo te ka kan do dangro de ti tentere wicin winimi so jen wa gurum dangro de ti ke community dangro de ti belenda kana zande wa ti kan lo so ngaje kan dial chenga mente kan karol kamken Alfred Futuyo ramkel me kan boss community ngaje ka neti content ngat ke je long kitten content no kaje wa ka belenda ne ala belenda people teme bi ngai gwaseme belenda people kana te chalka ti azande tiken correct one communicate alo tandien ku kan kir ku kan support tandien ku kan dark mu char kan support ala ku mespele mayo kana ku mara ke kim yadi chare ndak no special azande tega kel ka ku kim yadi belenda ne shunga kel ka ku mespele mayo badu bana bu Alfred Futuyo ni alga jene jen wara mimo mi bumbum wati ke neti la be ke Western Equatorian wenamo tin security teten gwan milana bana nake bon mishal ke ambororo header ken kanete content ko hok tila jel ko hok ano kana wa kanete larik la kana alet ka wa kan ke local criminal tila na la kan kanak dewinen wenamo ne wan wenamo shu community shu ko nyur ka shu karin jako bikan rodin mo ka bon shu kan bon mishal ke arrow boys shu kan chak la defense force ka community dien en arrow boys mo ke dola to la jel ke queen bereto wa ken shukan Futuyo shukan kwa la kweren la Alfred Futuyo chi jen cha grupo badjana wa aram mo cha kwa ken wo bonne and when mo chujen popular leader ka ken ka jen area mo ngat ke jelong ano wa jen do be dan e bere keje ka kwaza dane chagwi ke jeno Alfred ramu gwa chwa boson gwasmo dena wa kana gwar teleje training teleje tera maje ga kume deno ngat ke je ordinary people ki community dane jenten dobe dane jonye spele mayo ke jene ka jo dan chalat mechi kur meje to ge 2013 mechi kuma spele ayo dakre ma char meje kairar gwade ban wernektin ki chuneri wan chugliu wa chu tegenete motu kwa dakre ma char kwa je jon wachu ji Western Equatoria chu kan dakram char chu kan join wuri chalga Alfred Futuyo chu SPL mayo chu je join ko jen changa ke jek regime ante kem yaditen wajen chwaje kwanye lo kwede nyibo chu ponde en Alfred Futuyo chula ramadana la kuma spela ma ayo re duarte tinga Western Equatoria cooperation ka Western Equatoria chwa jako jen bila kwere ka kore me chago jeno bume chwa je nominate ke chwa ja kwany ala governor jen dobe dan woga jaga governor ke ticket kuma spela mayo ke spela mayo Futyo jena wa ramin noke ko jen tegane no haje ramatel community mit jode ino kude so no haje jen a valuable asset ramu gwa mu gwe no take resource ni kete ne to gorke je chiwo jen cha gwar bado jen no haje community de jen do danen kwanye je ko jen ramin mu no community chagu jen jen beneka bakalwak so do be chube je ka governorship jene ka ronkin dangro jen dangro chaje kwanye la governor Wadi dan echi dakar machar mechi kan mal chikan tha inke 2018 mal shal keme reptile peace agreement ke 2020 chwa Alfred Futuyo chaje kwany ala governor ke ticket dun kuma spele mayo ka Western Equatoria state Alfred chwa chance mo chuje jek gwade che kwere to ko jaga jawo dan shalat wajen chalara mo gwalong wajen chele limtin kon lat ke kum kirmi yadit chit ko dong bale limni yu to lat ka ngwane gaje jen chuo community we jogo no ne bana yu bana karialeka bana community dan bana ja kamnial bu kon char bana kala char kon ya gak wa chu Alfred Futuyo chuo funding chuo jogo mu chuo no community man dana jenetin me che to no mo chuo char chuo kalat enyok je la we wini gwile na doriken chuo no lo la we bana ka gotin kon ka tikitin la kwa engage ka community work la nen gitini chang ko chala governor and when mo chwaja gwanya netin konti la ne kirmi yadit chu deputy governor mo chala Kennedy Ganiko kada den chala Daniel Badagbo wajen chu gak ajene ngum Alfred Futuyo ko ro engage ka community work kajen bo ngu mu gore funding ko ba char ba kalat kada la li bani tin konin be ka kume wada moni churit ngwan chu ko to ya Futuyo chwa logo ken ke chugana gwa kir ngada je gwano Futuyo chiran kim yadi ran kuma spele mayo so ko ge jen o che mandana be ka kum gwa mi chela ban pin le community work kan wo da bala wati je tong mi tel malatke den chwa je gwan ka chwa je lok ene de kontika kuma kim yadi chago je no en wudi chalga Alfred Futuyo bala popular eno ka ba nong ne je tane ko ken cha ba nok no ko me chala Alfred Futuyo che chardi ya che repair che market point che ka build nyo anyo botene de kontika agriculture che ka support ke dupto mon bana me logo je kinyer ke je so jen do be dane to kinyer a wudi chala me Alfred Futuyo so Alfred Futuyo no je tanat Alfred Futuyo logo je ne de kone kirmi yadit a wajen iche kumi che guje lo duna karwade. Others said he was acting like he owned the government jentara njinga lat keje. But men yam ba ngajenen Futuyo ngat keje community de. Ko jen che funding che jen non ko bar dialti ba kalat jen do dan no keje. Jana ben ko do be dan wo keje. Before that K2023 Alfred Futuyo wa cha gwany ke cha sanction ne ko gwasedan. A US Treasury Department chigana sanction no jen che duiro man che kalat ka kuma spele mayo command wajen te ka abuse te cherlat ka 2018 wajen chagwa nyino ete gane te ko abdak kete ne te gwa te men ka ka pinye bonde ti Futuyo bache te alti che ga deny de jen che ka to ka gon nin ken ka chak nin ken tel te jek te chelat ne te trar gu ken no rameme gwan jegne ke te jek kelat banere kon la community de gwa dan tetin ngake jeno le reti go ne kon lu ko jegane ne kon la kwar tinde kelke kum kirmi yadit ko chaga lokon no gaje a community yan ber ko do be dane joy keje Alfred Futuyo ka changa bangwan ka payro chwaje joy ronkin dangro jan dangro didich the president self came yadit chu Alfred Futuyo choje dismiss ka governorship me to ga yinka ko chegu jeno Alfred is gaining popularity. And the only way to stop this is by removing him by any means. Kia beje George. Immediately in Guad Muchoja Joy Kaka Wermo, Watchwa de Choya Jack, a Kumikir, Wador Dante Alfred Futuyo, Waja Keblu de Jayen. Watch your court your talk, Dor Chalke Yambio, Alfred Futuyo Choror your bar, Raywich. Kajan Wermon, Futuyo Chujenka Yambio, Guan Mimo, Chujen and Kacho, Guan Changa Janatin Kon La Jukuma. Mejian and Tennessee celebrate ne kirmi yadit. chitkene kon te tambura county ne te lokaje te lokaje kuma SPL mayo duno ko kuma SPL mayo weekend wona ne the president self came yadit te peace agreement je violate ke ngote ko ne cha ya pin ko ba ti dial ko lat ke ba lat ke la ne dial cha gu je no che ngulel che power che ja abuse and kir karwade so je ndo be dan jen ke je Alfred Futyo remember tele je background ke education tele je background ke training ano da la dech jen no je community ramimo mi la gat ke ramimo mi la jang ne wok ke ti jang ato e busher jen but still charge no community de kashi community de ba chonyo ko mi la je ka mi dan me che kwarjek be funding be je gorko be char be kalat ke ken ko la very important tin gore community so ne me chor la re wichen gine me chan ben gwazame ka paibande ka SPL mayu acting chairman Nathaniel Wiyet Perino cho me dane chala de kirmi yadi no woje Futuyo ka governorship cho nyo mu ko de reverse cho Alfred Futuyo cho nyo ko mila de jaga kwernyo cha jogo no mi cha yi woje kir ajin kwara ajin governor ngodi da governor so na me a direct challenge ka kum kirmi yadi Futuyo take a power shumana tama ka opposition party ka SPL ayo e ngode la governor shumana tama you know jen SPL mayo sector 6 commander ke deputy chief of staff for operation ke western Equatoria ke kuma SPL mayo kelio ne la support rike weekend ojen a defender ke ganga community ke jitere wago jen ojen ramishi go ke ramije so na me jen nan choda lat mentame ngode dor ke de ko gurko kum right now right kon jan we ke de dan jitu dor shalke me ebor ke Sunday afternoon ke changdar ke Sunday ke taker mte ke 30 pm wati ke metu ngwane shaling dor shalke mo ebor town rek to dor shalke ebor ko la marol market tu ga dala ngwane kwakatin jen tu go mo wan jen che crowd no ke a busiest shop around ala chetian kana washo macho ay yat group shalke red bell group gwan mi monas ke busy kokken kwa Christmas ka ko wona ka New Year ka wona ka Christmas tunere ngwan cho to no ngwadma wacho na cho mo bot ka jomo chalat gwasme wane dangde chaw mo ka bot samri podi kana sajaz no te ne de chiluri cho ko diech bat ka kumi kala no cha mo ne na ka bot ne de chala no cha ka nang dolwal red bell group wa ken cha ka report no ken tika ka maral town gwadmo tika ko hotel en wenamo wa security force cho ka nang gwaldan tikatin and security force mo you can no gwal dan red bell group tin ka you can ka yan match red bell group ken ke local militia ke active kabor ken lat ken no gang ken wi gang ken community dien gang ken mundien bana me ki endo bana gwi je kum kir mi yadi wa gwi ke threat ke ne ti organize ram shi ko organize ko bi ken kum bi ken yar but gwan mi shi kum che dier ka ting ne content gwan mo la red bell group la da je bane ken baka ga chi authorities chicken ka accuse la red bell group waken ke deni ken jel ken ke uniform la military uniform ken wati ka meti didi jel ka te ken ka torbiyeli ken bo wa chicken security force ke security organ ka bor ka jongle wala ken ka mek na ken ka nyo bo ken bo wa ken la kana match de dumne na titine gari ago inga ken kan try mo ke woni no yen mi ba kana shi national army charge bu jon ka biya gorno ba me kun ba ka kep na mo kana no red bell group yen tay dan ci do to je chu jere goch antam je jojo gwano shi ka nyoko mu ken clash ka bor ka jen mishal ka marol market ne alo ce tekarim tiji toktin ki chinare mu ka botin mi ci wona kaliya so ne me le roda roina bur community tigare reka ka ken tin len kon ga ti ano te ka kol mu toktin so ne me jeri pore pane shalat mi gorno de nyoga yekel an bana jekel her ko ken kon be mi jira mi jidit gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel bi goro jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mi te galer mi ci bare gwasme be chomala shi bi ke je an biya ta kamar